Are you sick of getting vague, long-winded answers from your AI chat? It's not the AI, it's your prompt. In the next 4 minutes, I'll show you the simple 4-step prompt framework that smart students use to actually get ahead. Let's start by looking at what a prompt is. What I'm referring to as a prompt is anything that you put into your search bar for your AI chat. This should be instructions, not a question. The AI is going to reflect how clearly you think. So if it's vague on the way in, it'll be vague on the way out. So let's ask a common question that we might see. Explain World War I. As you can see here, it's given us a fair bit of information. It's great information, but it's going to take a while to read through and there's a lot there. It's not specific to exactly what I want. So let's try and fine tune it. This here is the 4-step prompt framework that I'm going to take you through. Take a screenshot of it. This is what you should be using. You should be thinking about goal, role, rules, review when you're putting yours in there. Let's step through these one at a time. The goal. We need to give it context about who we are, what situation we're in, and then also outline what specific outcome do we want to achieve. So if we look at what that means is tell it, who am I? What do I want? And why do I need it? The more specific I am around this goal, the more specific the direction that the AI prompt is going to give its output, meaning it's going to be more relevant to me. So in this case here, if we look at the first example, the first section of it is outlining the context, that they're a Year 9 student, they're confused about adding fractions. And the second part of it is the outcome. They want to improve it, give me a step-by-step so that I can improve my results in an upcoming quiz. That's your goal, and that's going to set your direction for the whole conversation. Number 2, the role. Tell the AI who you want it to act like. This is going to change the depth, the structure, the tone of the response. You're telling AI how to think. Now, for most cases in a high school situation, it is going to be an experienced teacher in that specific subject. But it could be an exam marker for those Year 12s out there. Or in a different sense, it could be a professional basketball coach. 3, rules. You want to control the length. You want to control the format. You want to control the behavior of this AI chat output. Here's some examples. It might be keeping it concise, because if it's anything like me, I get frustrated with 5-minute reading responses when I just wanted a 1-sentence response. It might be under 150 words. Putting it into dot points makes it a little easier to comprehend when you're reading through it. And it might be about simplifying. Also, you can put in this in terms of your rules, what not to do. Don't give me the final answer. I want to use it as a guide. Number 4, review. This turns the AI into a coach or a direct teaching assistant individualized to you. So at the end of your prompt, put in there, quiz me or explain it back, or give me 3 questions. If you're a senior school student, it might be something a little more in depth around give me 1 6-mark question that I can respond to. That way you can test your knowledge and AI will be able to tell you what standard you're at and maybe how you can improve your response or improve your knowledge. Let's put it all together now. So in the first part of it here, we are giving it the goal, and it's broken into your context and your specific outcome. Then you're looking at what type of role you want AI to take on, what rules I want it to abide by. And then this here is my review. This is how I want it to come and test me and how I can actually retrieve the information that I have. As you can see here, this is a much more concise response, something that I can digest a lot easier, something that's not going to waste my time. So now if we put these side by side, you can see that if we put in a broad, vague input, we get a long-winded, vague response. Again, it can be helpful if that's what we're after, but if we want to maximize productivity and efficiency, spending a little more time putting in a better prompt gives us exactly what we're looking for on the way out. And it gives you something to test your knowledge at the end. There's the 4-step prompt framework that I suggest all school students should be using. It's way more specific. It gives you exactly what you're looking for on the way out. Remember, AI won't make you smarter, but the clear thinking will. AI is a tool. You're in charge. I'm Cal from VivCoEd. If you've enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe. There's more content coming specific to high school students. Education is on the way up. Bye for now.